How to make wedding invitation video in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make wedding invitation video in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Canva and register or log in with your existing Canva account. And in the home page of Canva, kindly go to the search bar and enter wedding invitation video template. And after that, just hit enter. And by doing so, you will be led in here. And as you can see, below is the wedding invitation video templates, in which you can choose any of the design below and use it as your template. But if the template contains the word pro on it, this just simply means that you need to upgrade your account in order to avail or use this template. While the other template contain paid elements, in which you need to pay for it in order to use it. But if you don't want to pay for the templates, you can also find a completely free templates in here. However, if you don't want to use any of this template, you can just simply inserting your media files by clicking this button. But in this tutorial, I'm going to choose a template, in which you can choose a template depending on the theme of the wedding. So I'm going to choose this one. And upon clicking on a template, you will see the title, the owner of the video, and the preview of the video template. And below, you will see a similar video template which only differs on its design. And if you want to use this template, kindly proceed by clicking Customize this template, in which upon doing so, you will be directed in here. And from here, you will be able to customize or edit the design of this video template, in which you can edit the context, importing an image, or even changing the background of this video. And aside from that, if you want to make your video longer, you can do that by adding a page. And to do that, just click the plus button on the timeline. And as you can see, you have now the second page of your video, in which you may also add a design or context to this second page. Now going back to our main timeline, we can start customizing or editing the elements that contain in our wedding video. We can start editing the media files by kindly clicking on it, and in order to replace the media files, we can proceed on the left side panel and kindly click Uploads. And below Uploads, you may import your media files from your computer or even from your Google Drive. And aside from that, you can also customize or edit the context of your video. And you can do that by kindly clicking on it or by selecting the text that you want to edit. And after that, if you want to change the font style, kindly click on the font style options. You will see a different kind of fonts that you can use. You can also customize the text styles depending on you prefer and to make it fascinating to look at. And in addition, you may also change the sizes and the color of the text, in which upon clicking on the color, you will see on the left side panel a different kind of colors that you can choose, such as the default colors or the solid colors, in which you may choose a color depending on the background of your video. Also, on this template video, you also need to change the name of the couples that are getting married. So it's just same process in editing the text by kindly clicking on it and replacing the text with the name of the couple, in which you can also customize the date of their wedding day. And after customizing the context of this wedding video, we can now proceed by editing the background or replacing the element design on this video template. And in order to do that, just kindly click on the timeline and go to the left side panel and click Design, in which under Design, you may choose another templates for the next page of your video template. In addition, you can also change the styles of the template. While under the Element section, this section typically includes a variety of pre-made shapes, icons, illustrations, stickers, and other graphics that you can add to your design. As the Element section here in Canva provides a wide range of design assets that you can use to create custom, professional-looking designs quickly and easily. Also, under the Element section, you can also explore to find media files such as photos or short videos. And aside from media files, you may also find audio that can be fed into these wedding videos. And below audio, you will also find a different kind of elements, including tables, frames, and many more. So under the frames, you will be able to choose the shape of the picture you want to import to this video. And aside from elements, you can also customize your video by putting or adding a context. And under the text sections, you will be able to add a context to your video. And to make it more creative, you may choose different kind of font combinations on the left side panel. And if those font combinations contain the crown icon, that just means that you need to upgrade your account in order to use those specific font texts. Now moving on to the next page of our video timeline, we also need to customize or design this new page. And to do that, we can simply go to the left side panel and click on the other options. Or we can directly proceed on the design. And under design, just click the templates, in which you can choose a variety of short videos in here. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one with 10 seconds durations. And after clicking on it, it will be directed in your timeline, in which you can also customize the content of these short videos. Such as if you want to edit the text, you can simply do that by clicking on a specific text, by customizing the font style, the color, and its sizes. And after editing or customizing the second page, we can now go back to the first page of our main video. And we also need to consider of checking the video if all the contents it contains are connected to the theme and if all the details are relevant. So we need to check the layer by layer information or details or elements of this video contain. And we can do that by clicking on a position which is located on the top panel options. And upon clicking on it, it will lead you in here. And under layer, you will see each element does this video contain, including all of the designs, background, and even the text that is written on each part of the video. And aside from that, you can also customize the volume of your video. By clicking on the volume options, you can start adjusting the volume of your video. You can adjust to lower the volume of the video or to make it louder. And aside from that, you can also add a background music audio to make the wedding video more enthusiastic to hear. And after done customizing and editing the video, we also need to watch the video to make sure that all of the essential information and details can be found inside the wedding video. It is important because this video will relive the moment of two couples on getting married. So if we are now done editing and customizing the final wedding video, we can now start saving it by clicking on the share button, which is located on the top right corner. And after that, just scroll down and proceed by clicking download. And after that, under the download, on the file type, you can only choose the MP4 video. And after that, just proceed by clicking the download button. So that is just how to make a wedding invitation video in Canva. Thank you.